When I wanted to dip my hands into speed cubing or, just using a nicer Rubik's Cube, I found this Rubik's Cube to be very inexpensive and it had magnets in it. So I was like, you know what, let's check this thing out. And I gotta say, I quite like it. I've been using this cube for quite a while, and it even came with a little instruction booklet, which let me pull out real quick to show you, that I liked so much that I actually ended up laminating it, and now I carry it with me whenever I want to make sure that I know what I'm doing. I wish I knew how to do these off the top of my head. I used to, not anymore. The cube itself is very nice. I'm able to flick it. You can kind of get good at it if you learn how much force to push on it. But as you can see, it will actually connect quickly and stay on the face simply because it has all the magnets in it. The cube itself is also very light, and it's stickerless, which means you don't have to worry about any of the stickers peeling off, which in some cases can be quite annoying. It also has a very vibrant colorway. So all the colors are like a neon-ish version of what they usually are on a Rubik's Cube, which I gotta say just makes it stand out. This cube is just such a nice cube. I like this cube quite a bit. I used to throw it in my backpack all the time. No scuffs or scratches whatsoever. Now I keep it on my desk, and whenever it's time to use a cube, I'll sit down and I'll just mess with it. I totally recommend this cube if you're looking to get into cubing or, just want a nice Rubik's Cube. This is totally the way to go, especially for the price.